If you have been looking at the HomerunPET litter box, which has the largest closed drum on the market, you may be wondering if your cat will be comfortable jumping into this box. Maybe you have an older cat, maybe you have a cat that's a little more hesitant to jump into small spaces, and it is 14 inches to get into the box. So I am thrilled that HomerunPET not only gifted me this box, but also just gifted me their litter control step. Now, this is not only a step to make it easier for your cat to get in and out of the box, but will actually capture any of that flyaway litter as they jump out of the box as well. Now, this is how it comes. It looks very flat, but once you open it up, you can take off the whole top, which is actually pretty smooth, all things considered, and has all those openings for litter to go through. And then inside you have all the legs, and each leg has nice little rubberized feet, so it's not gonna slide around, and they really do just pop right in. And once all those legs are in, you can see that this is a nice large step, very inviting for your kitty. And this is easy to take off. And when you do take this off, it's also very flat, easy to clean that out, dump it into the waste bin, whatever you want to do. Top goes on, and once it's on, it is very sturdy. Let me show you this close up. Now here it is close up, really, really sturdy, doesn't move at all. Your cat will feel very confident on it. And once this is in place, it's not nearly as big of a step. Let me measure these for you. With the step, you're actually looking at about 7 inches up to the platform, and then another 7 inches into the box. So nice steps down. And then this entire platform is about 20 inches, just a little less, by 16.5 inches. So it is a really nice wide step. Now I do want to point out some pros and cons here with this step. Main thing is that the HomerunPET box is one of the larger footprint boxes. So this is going to take up a fair amount of space, and with the step out in front, it's a lot more space. So if you're in tight quarters, this might not be the best fit for you, but if you have a lot of space, maybe you have to set up in the garage or a large laundry room somewhere out of the way, fantastic. Great way to spoil your cat and make it cleaner for you when you come into the room, that there isn't litter sprayed everywhere, as long as the cat jumps onto the platform, that is. As for pros, I really like how solid this is and that it's not custom designed to fit with only the HomerunPET. While it does look perfect and work with the HomerunPET, you could definitely use this with any other litter box you have. And a lot of litter boxes are actually 14 inches in height into the opening, especially the open drum boxes. So this is really nice to have moving forward. You can use it interchangeably however you need to use it. And finally, if your cat is oversized, which it probably is considering that you're looking at this box, this platform is definitely designed with oversized kitties in mind. I really like how simple yet well thought out it is. It's a really nice litter control step.